I wanted to test what kind of battery life we could get out of the new Switch 2, and so I set the brightness to 80%, I put the Wi-Fi on, I charged the battery to 100%, and set Cyberpunk to quality, which means it's targeting around 30 FPS. I put my fidget spinner on because the screen goes dark after 10 minutes, even when you tell it not to, and then I left. This is pretty much the worst case scenario for the Switch 2 as far as battery life goes. And drumroll please, I got almost exactly 2 hours. 2 hours and 1 minute to be precise. 2 hours isn't terrible, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I was expecting a bit more out of the Switch 2. That being said, Cyberpunk is a very demanding game, so I wanted to test it out with a less demanding game. Let's try Mario Kart World. Exact same test, brightness set to 80%, Wi-Fi on, battery charged to 100%, and this time Mario Kart is running at 120 Hz and 120 FPS because we can. Drop a like and a sub if you appreciate me putting a bunch of battery cycles on my brand new Switch 2. It did kind of hurt me to do this. But the result of this test, I did not expect. I ended up getting 2 hours and 5 minutes with those settings on Mario Kart World, which is within the margin of error of Cyberpunk, which means they're pulling basically the same wattage to run. Obviously, Cyberpunk is a much more demanding game, so I'd be willing to bet the difference is Cyberpunk is running at 30 FPS and Mario Kart is running at 120 FPS, which with that kind of FPS difference, they actually both drain the battery about as fast as the battery can drain. If you want to see another game's battery life tested, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.